Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 6D McLaren edition, and I will show you how to access the Fastboot mode. So we'll start off by powering off the phone using the power key. Hold it out for a couple seconds till you see the power off option, and then tap on it. Wait for the device to turn off, and once it's off, we will hold the power key and volume down, which power key and volume down here, together till you see the logo of the device, like now. You can let go. And from here, you will be presented with either this or a language choice. It just depends if you have a lock screen set or not. I have a lock pattern, so I need to put it in to proceed. And from here, I get to choose the language, and then go into advanced. And from here, you will see reboot to Fastboot. So tap on it, and then you have the message, your phone will reboot, and you will need to tap on again, reboot to Fastboot mode, as in a way of confirming it. Wait a moment, and as you can see, we are now in Fastboot mode. From here, if you tap start, it will reboot the system. Reboot to bootloader will reboot it to bootloader, which is where we were previously. Recovery mode will do basically the same thing, which is the previous screen, and power off will turn off the phone. So we're gonna, I guess, power off the phone now, and use volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm. So going volume downward, which will be navigating down, and then up to go up, and power key to confirm it. So now that the device is off, I'm gonna hold the key again to turn it back on. And as you can see, now it's turning back on. And shortly it should be back into a normal Android. We'll see in a second. And there's the pattern again, so it's gonna put in, and we're back into normal Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.